The S&P is at major resistance. Bitcoin has just lost $70,000. And there's one altcoin that's breaking high time frame trends to the upside that I want to speak around. Now, yes, altcoins as a whole have not been doing great. However, there's a handful of alts that have been exploding. And it's because of a certain narrative. And I want to speak about that in today's show. Now, I'm Sheldon, and welcome to Chart of the Day, where I bring you guys the best charts that I see on a daily basis for you to pay attention to. Let's jump straight into it. So the first chart I want to show you guys is S&P. And I'm bringing this chart to your attention as we're at a very big resistance. Now, as you can see, this trend line has marked all the way since 2022, most of the highs that we have seen. And you can see we have up to 8 touches, including the touch we are seeing right now. Now, there's a choice for S&P. We're either going to break structure and really get bullish from here, okay, which means soon we need to see a breakout pretty quickly. Otherwise, we need to expect a pullback. Right, and the pullbacks, the way they work here is previous highs that we break through, we tend to come retest them on pullbacks. So we break through the high, we test them. Right, therefore, if you look at where we are now and we look at a retest, we're looking anywhere up to an 8% drop. And if we decide to come to the main trend, that's around a 16% drop. So I'm showing you this now because if you zoom into the 4-hour, it might be a nice opportunity to catch this early. So if you look at this channel, right, this is just tracking the momentum up to this big resistance. If we lose this bottom channel over here, this could be an indication of a possible short or the stop loss above. But nonetheless, if I'm looking to buy more of S&P, right, this is just confirming for me, hey, better prices are sitting down there, right? So again, this gives me information to say we're either going to break up and go, or there is a big opportunity to the downside. And if I see downside, I see something like this. Right, and it can take anywhere up to a week or two, which gets me to the next chart, which is Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has lost the important $70,000. Let's bring it up. Okay, there we go. It has lost $70,000, and now it is time for us to start opening the question, are we going to new lows? Okay, so if we look at this, there's the channel, we have lost it, right? Which means resistance right now in Bitcoin is at $72,000. It could be a small test at any point, but unless somehow this week, we get back above into the $74,000, $75,000 range, it's very likely we are going to the lows, if not slightly new lows. So the new lows and the next supports that I'm seeing on Bitcoin is here between $58,000 and $62,000. Right? Many here, the moment we lose 60,000, will get very bearish. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go slightly lower than 60,000 and then bounce. That will catch many people off guard. Okay, but this trend is the original momentum trend coming all the way from 2022 to 2023, right? We ended up having a nice bull cycle, and now we're coming back to the major trend. So that, for me, tells me a strong point of where we can see a reversal. If we do not hold that area, my next zone is sitting at $48,000. Now, on the short time frame, just to show you guys what I'm seeing here, is I do see a short-term possible bounce. So we are hitting the 618 Fibonacci, and a nice little bounce to $72,000, and then a continuation to the downside. What you can put as well is this 4-hour trend line, right? Indicating a bounce will take us there. And if we don't get through there, downside. Let's see a bounce at this area that I spoke about, break the trend, and that will be the confirmation for me, this trend. If we decide to lose it, I'll continue that trend down and be looking for the next major supports for the confirmation. Okay, there's Bitcoin. Now, I want to speak around this specific altcoin. Now, guys, altcoins as a whole not doing great, but there is a narrative exploding, right? And one of them definitely is AI. Okay. Now, the token I want to speak about is Render. High time frame, looking really bullish. And for me, I ask myself the question: is this something that I can be bullish on for the rest of the year? The market's not looking great, right? All depending on the narrative and what part are they playing in the narrative. Okay, so when it comes to AI infrastructure is what Render pays attention to, right? And what they provide is a GPU network, okay? And what this does is it allows people, right, to use computing power for AI. So what they are doing ultimately is they are forming part of the ecosystem. GPUs is vitally important. Now, GPUs is like thousands of workers that are solving multiple little problems. CPUs is like one worker that focuses on one major problem, right? So GPUs are very vital in the space, and many need that access, right? So this is what Render provides. And again, it is decentralized. Now that I give you guys that information, the narrative is one of the hottest in the market, and it's a part of the ecosystem. And for me, I'm not looking at new shiny AI tools. I'm looking at something that's part of the ecosystem and the infrastructure of AI. And that's why for me, it's an important player to pay attention to. Now, let's jump straight into it. Let's show you guys the chart. Okay, here is the chart to pay attention. So we have broken the weekly trends. Massive weekly trends we are breaking, very similar to what we saw in 2023 before we had a rally. Okay, from here, I'm looking at a strong opportunity all the way up to 3.7. Now, this is a specific trade that I am taking, that I'm sharing with you guys, okay, that I have stop losses around $1.9. That's just, I protect myself, bottom trend, protect myself over there, okay? And from here, as you could see, there's one more high to go and there's a squeeze up to these areas. So $3.5 is the one target and the second one is $5.5. Those are two big areas of where I'm taking a bunch of profits and I'm leaving some for the future. So the way to trade this right now is a little bit more high time frame. See if you believe in it, see if you like it. Chart-wise, it is going against the rest of the market right now and is showing incredible strength. If you guys have enjoyed the show, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below charts that you want to see on the next stream. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.